What's up guys, Big Joe here, and today I thought I'd make an updated video of my very popular two-part series of how to fix Siri not working on macOS. And the reason why I wanted to do this video is to inform all of you that this still works on macOS Big Sur and is going to work for macOS Monterey in the future. So sit back, sit tight, follow my instructions and you should be good to go. Okay, the first thing that we have to do in order to solve this problem is go to your Siri settings. Now you can find this under your system preferences, and then you go to Siri and make sure that your mic input is not set to automatic and is set to internal microphone, and that the show Siri in menu bar is ticked, as well as enable Siri. If it is already ticked, just untick it and tick it again and click on enable. Right, now the second thing you need to do is you're going to go to your system preferences. You're going to your network preferences. You're going to click on your advanced tab. You're going to go all the way over to proxies. If you have anything ticked in this box, you should untick it, and if you have nothing ticked in this box and you're still having the problem, then what you need to go and do is you need to go and check all of these options like that, and then what you do is you start to uncheck them. Then you click on OK, then you click on apply, wait for it to apply. Then what you do is you exit this dialog, and then what you do is you go onto the top by your Apple logo. Then you simply restart your device and the problem should be resolved. Now I'm not going to restart my device because I've already done this process, but I'll just show you that it is working. Hey Siri, what's 10 times 10?
It's 100.
And as you can see guys, Siri is now working. If this video helped you out, please show your appreciation by smacking that like button, commenting down below and subscribing to my channel. But for now, it's Big Joe signing out.